Most people are using AI wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 prompts you can copy-paste that will save you time, help you make money, and make your life easier, starting today. AI isn't just a toy. It's leverage. The people who learn how to ask it the right way are already getting ahead, at work, online, and in their personal lives. These prompts are designed for normal people, not programmers. This one alone is worth the video. Instead of guessing, AI gives you personalized income paths. Based on my skills, suggest 5 ways to make money online and explain how to start. Most people don't realize their skills already have value. This prompt shows you how to monetize them. Next, create a weekly schedule for me based on my responsibilities, goals, and free time. This replaces planners, apps, and sticky notes. It gives you clarity. For communication, write a professional and persuasive email to this person about this topic. This alone can save you hours and reduce stress. For decisions, help me decide between option A and option B. Compare pros, cons, risks, and outcomes. This is like having a logic brain when emotions are in the way. For your health, create a 7-day meal plan with a grocery list based on my diet. AI becomes your nutrition assistant. For travel, plan a 5-day trip to this city, including activities, food, and schedule. This replaces travel websites. For productivity, break this project into clear steps and tell me what to do first. This kills overwhelm. For learning, explain this topic in simple terms with examples. You now have a personal tutor. Extra income, find me 10 realistic ways to make an extra $1,000 per month online, including startup cost, time required, and first steps. Trend spotter, what trends are growing right now in your industry that could make money? This is how you stay ahead instead of behind. These aren't tricks. This is how people will use AI to get ahead over the next 10 years. The future doesn't belong to the biggest companies anymore. It belongs to the people who know how to use AI. This channel shows you how. Subscribe. This is how you stay ahead instead of behind.